Hey guys, I have the top 3 reasons for you why you should be investing in rental properties. Reason number 1, passive income, duh. Many investors choose to invest in real estate because it's passive income. We only have so much time in the day. You're gonna work 40 hours a week. How can you work any more to make more money unless you get some fat raise, right? Well, what you do is you invest your hard-earned money into real estate, and while you're sleeping, your rental properties are making you money without you having to do extra work and work for it. Number 2, massive wealth while sleeping. And honestly, I think I should to make that into an acronym or something. Anyone got any ideas? You buy a rental property, you let it sit for years, and you close your eyes, you wake up, and now that property has doubled in value. Did you have to work for it? No. Did you have to do anything to make your property worth more money? No. You just went to sleep and woke up and it's worth more money. That is equity. That is the power of investing in rental properties. And number 3, it's a hedge against inflation. You guys, we're all losing money every single day. Every dollar that stays in our bank account, in our savings account, is losing money daily. Real estate rises with inflation. When you invest in rental properties, you're getting passive income every single month. All of these things are the most amazing reasons why you should be investing in rental properties. If you'd like to learn more about how to get rich with rental properties, it ain't fast, it's slow, but it's worth it, then follow me at Brick by Brick Wealth.